Hey everyone, some of our more environmentally conscious customers have shown interest in how we deal with waste here at our office. So I thought I'd just give you a quick tour and you can see for yourself. As you can see, we're being pretty conscious of keeping our team and customers safe through the coronavirus pandemic. So our office is actually pretty empty right now, but we still make sure whoever enters, whether it's our scheduler or delivery drivers, practice some good hygiene and use our hand sanitizer. Now for the good stuff though, here you can see our Polystyrene Collection, which we're particularly conscious of because of the havoc it causes in the environment. This stuff mostly comes from ceiling fans and larger light fittings that we've installed, and we make sure we take it to a nearby collection facility who will crush it down and recycle it. Next up is our scrap metal bin. It's mostly iron and steely sort of materials, and this gets dropped off to our friends at Recycle in Ringwood for recycling. Then we've got our e-waste bin. So this has got a couple of photoelectric smoke alarms and some motors and some electronic waste. We try and help out our customers by collecting some of their old equipment, things like remote controls and modems and DVD players and things like that. And we'd like to make sure that all that stuff doesn't end up in the general waste. Next up is our scrap cable bins. So we collect all the old cable from inside our customers' houses when we rewire them, and we make sure it all gets recycled too, so that all that lovely copper doesn't go to waste. Next one, this is our aluminium bin. A lot of light fittings actually contain aluminium, so we strip this all out and make sure it gets recycled. Down here we've got our light globe bin. So some people don't actually realise this, but these old fluorescent tubes actually contain a little bit of mercury, which is really not great for the environment. So we collect all these tubes and send them off to be crushed and have the mercury collected and recycled. This is our large Suez cardboard and paper bin. So we get a lot of boxes here, so we like to make sure they either get reused or recycled. We don't actually use a lot of paper in the office because we're mostly digital, but there's still a little bit that goes in here too. Then your typical co-mingled bin for any recyclable glass and plastics. And then this little bin down here, this is where we collect any soft plastic. So anything that's clean and scrunchable, they get taken to RedCycle and get made into park benches and things like that. And then this other little bin here, this is our general waste bin. And for a trade business, it's actually pretty cool to know that this bin barely even gets filled. So I'll quickly take you into our kitchen where we have a few more bins. As you can see, we've got the whole disinfectant out here to make sure that we're keeping our office virus free. But in here, we've got a few eco bins. Highly recommend Eco Bin. They're a great company, check them out. But we've got mixed recycling again, soft plastic, and a little general waste bin, which we've got a lid on it, so it's just that little bit harder to put waste in. We've got these cool posters here as well from Eco Bin that make it a bit easier for our team to know where everything goes. And lastly, we've got a little compost bin here. So this gets taken home every week to my house and we use it for the garden. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the tour, and we'll chat to you soon.